Income tax new portal link Aadhaar with PAN before the 30th of June 2021. Linking of Aadhaar with PAN, permanent account number, is a mandatory requirement under Income Tax Act 1961. If a person fails to link Aadhaar with PAN, a penalty of 1000 rupees for the non-linkage will be charged. And also, his PAN will become inoperative. Section 234H inserted by the Finance Act 2021. Last date of linking PAN with Aadhaar is 30th of June 2021. The PAN will become inoperative from the 1st of July 2021. In the absence of its linkage with Aadhaar, the individual whose PAN becomes inoperative will not be able to use PAN to conduct the financial transactions. Wherever quoting of PAN is mandatory, such as the opening of a bank account, etc. How to view Aadhaar link status? Visit https://www.incometax.gov.in/. Click on the link shown in the image and enter your PAN and Aadhaar. You will be able to see the status of your PAN and Aadhaar link status.